Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss class 4 English literature. The lesson 9 topic is Charlie Chaplin. Okay. So you might have heard the name Charlie Chaplin before also. So he is a great comedian who makes lot of people to laugh and people enjoy watching his movies. And today we will discuss about him, we will know about Charlie Chaplin in this lesson. So we'll start here. Okay. Charlie Chaplin was a world famous humorous actor. Okay. So Charlie Chaplin was world famous, means in the world he is very famous for his humorous actor, means as a comedian actor. He made spectators not only laugh endlessly but also think. He not only made his audience or spectators laugh, but also he made them to think deeply. Chaplin was born on April 16, 1889 at Kensington, London. Okay, he was born in London. The place name is Kensington. And he was born on April 16, 1889. Then, since he became an orphan in his childhood, he had to look for a job. Okay, so when he was small or he was a child, that time only he lost his parents, means his parents died. So he became a orphan boy. So he had to look for a job for his living. Then, so he could not study much. What happened then? So he could not study much because he was looking for a job, and when he got a job he was engaged in job, so he was not able to do his further studies. At the age of 15 he acted along with his brother in a humorous play. Okay, what was the age that he acted? When he was only 15 years old. He acted with whom? He acted with his brother. And in what type of play? The play was a humorous play, means a comedy play. Then, as his acting was liked by people, Chaplin made acting his profession. Okay, so the first act was liked by all the people. So what did he do as a profession? He only did acting. Chaplin made acting his profession. So acting became part of his life and he continued it as a profession, as a work. In 1910 he went to America along with a drama troupe. Okay, when did he go to America? In 1910. Okay, in 1910 he went to America. With whom did he go? He went along with a drama troupe, a group of people who were acting in drama. He went with them. Okay. Maxset provided an opportunity to Chaplin to act in films. Okay, after going to America, there was a man called Maxset. He gave him opportunity. He gave him chance to act in the films, act in the movie. Then in 1914, the first film which Chaplin acted was released. Okay, in which year the movie was released? In 1914. The first movie he acted was released. Then Modern Times, The Great Dictator and Limelight are some of the films in which he acted. There are some films that he had acted. It's mentioned here, that is Modern Times, The Great Dictator and Limelight. Okay, in 3 movies, and there are many other movies that he has acted, and that movies have become really good and interesting. Okay.